What's up, doll collectors, gift givers, and blinks? Today we are taking a look at BlackPink toys by Jazwares. We heard about these toys at Toy Fair 2020, but we weren't able to get in for a sneak peek. So when I found them today at Target, I was like, yeah! Broken Heart Superstars were priced at $9.99, and Micro Pop Stars were priced at $4.99. Ha! I see what you're doing there. Micro Pop Stars because they're small and it's a microphone. A little play on words I like. I also picked up their Light Up Plush Heart. This was priced at $14.99. It's made of pink faux fur. The name is stitched across the front. On the side it says, lights fade in and out in a clockwise direction. Chase the feeling. Heartbeats. Music activated. On the side of the box, you can see all of the members in the group. At the bottom, it has their names, Rose, Jisoo, Lisa, and Jenny. On the back of the box, it says BlackPink at the top. It shows you how you can wear the heart, and there's a picture of the group. Out of the box, it measures about 11 inches across. The battery pack is on the side. It's held closed with Velcro. And it says there are demo batteries included. Okay, yeah, so it's working. But there it is. And you can change the batteries, turn it off and on. There's a giant tag over here on the side. Let's see if we can get it to light up again. Where are the... Come on, I just did it! Where are the sensors? There we go. All right. Yeah, it lights up. Okay. Your hand can go in the back, and it's large enough for adults. So you can walk around with your BlackPink pillow. Now for the toys. We are starting with the Micro Pop Stars. It includes 6 pieces. On the side, you can see little Polaroids of all the members, and they signed each one. That's pretty cute. And if it's made of paper, you can totally cut it out and put it in your dollhouse. This includes 1 microphone mystery case, 1 pop star, 1 trendy hairstyle, 3 fashionable accessories. All inside this little microphone. Remove the plastic. Remove the label. Oh yeah, that is totally a free printable. And I just cut them out. Back to the toy. I tell ya, I get distracted by the smallest things. Okay, so here we have a microphone. Black on the bottom, pink on the top. There is glitter in there. We have some little microphone details. It does say BlackPink. I'm assuming this top comes off. There we go. Oh, that's like a solid piece. Oh wait, it's like a false wall. Let's open that. What's inside? Whatever is in here feels a little squishy. We have, oh, the clothes. Okay. We have a teeny tiny dress or shirt. I'm thinking this can't be larger than an inch. Kind of reminding me of LOL Surprise clothes and Polly Pocket, stuff like that. Then we have some large shoes. I'm hoping that means the doll will be able to stand on his own because it has a really wide sole there. And this looks like a tiny green purse. Let's take the other stuff out. This must be the doll. And oh, it comes in pieces. This is her hair, her face, her torso, and her legs. Attach the legs to the body. They're just circles. They should fit. Okay. Oh, we almost got it. A little bit of muscle there. I did it. Yay! Look at that. That could be a doll by itself if you just painted a little face on it. Add the head and the wig to make a minifigure. Now she does have some articulation. The head can move. That's pretty cool. Her arms can move, but the legs are stationary. Let's put the dress on. Just kind of fits over her limbs. Oh, where did her neck go? Now the shoes. The shoes go on pretty easily. And now the purse. She is able to stand on her own. On this hand, it looks like her fingers are making a little heart. Can you see that? There are holes by her ears. I'm guessing that's for other accessories. And there's a hole in the top of the wig. There's a little discoloration on the shoes. I'm guessing that's from being next to the purse and packaging. Her outfit is open on the side so you can see through there. And it's open in the back. The facial features are painted on. It looks like a very neat job on this figure, but the hair does move around a little bit. It keeps wanting to go backwards, so just be careful with that. She stands under 3 inches tall, making her a little smaller than an LOL Surprise doll. Here is Mattel's BTS figure, and she's a little taller than Jungkook, so I hope that helps you with size comparison. In my microphone, I didn't see a collector's guide, but on the packaging, it does say there are 12 iconic looks to collect. So these are mystery packs. You don't know what you're gonna get. You may end up with doubles. Oh boy, we're opening our second one. Hopefully we don't get any doubles today. Yay! This is definitely not a double. We have a white and black baseball cap with a heart on it and some roller skates and a top. The doll is in this side. Maybe we'll get a new hair color. This doll has orange hair. Ooh, and it's ombre. The bodies do take a little bit of work to put together, but after that, everything goes on pretty easily. And here is our second look. K-pop star number 3. We have another set of skates. No doubles. Oh wait, they're a different color. We're good. We have a blue skirt. It could possibly be shorts because it does go in the center right there. And a teeny tiny necklace. Now for the doll. I can kind of see through the plastic. I think we get a new hair color. Ooh, and a totally different hairstyle. This figure has black hair with 2 side buns, some silver clips on one side. She has a complete outfit painted on. It's a blue, orange, and white long sleeve top with pink bottoms and some stockings. Add the skates and the necklace. To put the skirt on, or the shorts, I think I have to pull the body apart. Yep, there we go. Our little collection is coming along. Doll number 4. I'm pretty excited because so far we haven't gotten any doubles. Remove this top. Pretty much know the drill at this point. Here are our accessories. This time we have shoes, green purse, dress. No! I think we got our first double. You've got to be kidding. Ah, doubles. Right down to the little green mark on their shoes. But on the plus side, the new girl's hair doesn't move as much. So, yay. Number 5. I am really hoping we don't find a double this time. Wait a minute. That feels like another baseball cap. Come on, come on, come on. Not a double, not a double. It's not a double, but it was a baseball cap. We have blue skates this time, a black baseball cap, and a sparkly top. It's covered in glitter, and that glitter is coming off onto some of the other items. Since we have new fashion, that means a new doll. Ooh, pretty. This figure has ombre hair. It goes from blonde to blue. She has a painted on black and white striped top, black pants. Let's add the baseball cap. It fits right into the little hole on the top of her head. And here is her sparkly top. Now we have 3 different roller skaters. Opening our 6th microphone here. And we're just hoping for no doubles. Or now triples, because that's a possibility. We already have doubles. Here we have doubles. All right, we have a double roller skater with the blue skates. Another set of twins. We have 4 more micro pop stars to unbox. Let's see if we can do this all in one take. So we're opening the top. Here's the piece out of the bottom. I got my scissors. And we're going to cut this open. And we have, it looks like a triple. Yay! A triple. Okay, I can't do this in one take. Putting the bodies together takes too much time. Triplets. 3 more. And we're not gonna do this in one take. We're just gonna do this the way we normally do things, trying to be fancy and do it all in one take. Yeah, too much construction here. All right, let's open the accessories. And we have, ooh, a new color skate here. This is red. Nice. That looks like an earring. Wait, there's only one. Where's the other one? Inside the shoe. Yay! Here is the doll, or the micro pop star. Correction, K pop star. She has black hair pulled up into a ponytail. She wears gold earrings, a pink top, black shorts, and stockings. Her hand is posed differently, and she comes with a red shirt. Now we have 4 different roller skaters. When you put these 2 together, their hands make a heart. This one, her hair makes her a little top heavy, that ponytail. So it works best when you tilt her head down a little. And she's over here just being cute. 2 microphones to go. This time I'm gonna start with the doll first. And we have a hair color I haven't seen yet, so yay. Here are the accessories. Ooh, everything's black. She has black shorts, a dark gray top, and a little black detail around the leg, black shoes, silver earrings, and half of a shirt. This is our last microphone. We bought a total of 10, so we had 10 chances to get different K-pop stars. And I'm gonna start with the doll again because we had some good luck the last time without getting a double. Well, I guess my luck ran out. Another set of twins. Now let's move on to the Broken Heart Superstars. Includes 8 pieces. 1 Broken Heart case, 1 K-pop star, 1 trendy hairstyle, 3 fierce fashion finds, and 2 chic accessories. This was $9.99, but you still only get 1 doll. There is a picture of the group on the back. Let's carefully remove that wrapper. All right. There we go. It's a large heart. It says BlackPink in the middle, and it's split down the center. We open it up. All the accessories are inside, along with some confetti. We have little pink metallic hearts. The wrapper is different. It says BlackPink on it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, which is the largest one. I think it's the doll. She has ombre hair. It goes from a light brownish blonde to a gray. She wears a white and black outfit. Opening up another bag. This time we get boots. Okay, so we have some boots. And it looks like a necklace. It's a purplish squunchy boot. And this accessory is a belt, I think, and not a necklace. Yep, it's a belt. The next accessory is... oh, it's like a bracelet for a human. Okay. And then we have... what's this? Oops. I think that's a box of cereal. That looks like a charm to go on the bracelet. The little hook that keeps it on is kind of soft, so I would be careful if I was to wear this out. And our other mystery accessory is a fuzzy coat, completing her look. So this is everything that was included inside of the heart case. I was hoping to find a collector's guide so we could see which pieces we don't have in our collection. And at double the price, I would have liked to have seen double the dolls or double the fashion accessories. Let's open a pink heart next. The colors on the heart are reversed from the black heart. So now we have pink on the outside, black, and then BlackPink is written in pink. Let's open it up. Starting with the doll, we have brown hair. She has on a red top and shorts. This feels like another bracelet. Ooh, it's a different color this time. We get a pink one with a black heart. And here is the charm. This is a dress with lots of different colors. And we have blue high heel shoes and a silver colored tiara. We can hang on to the cases to store the figures. I'm sorry to say I don't know enough about BlackPink to recognize the characters and their iconic looks, so a collector's guide would have been very helpful. The doll itself reminds me of a balloon doll without the hair. They're about the same size and they have that same kind of pop-on clothing. You can mix and match hair and accessories to create original styles or just display them in their iconic look. I think the Micro Pop Stars gives you the most for your money, and I'm still holding out to see BlackPink in a 10 to 12 inch doll, fully articulated with rooted hair and removable fashion and accessories. What? You all should know me by now. I am all about the articulation. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at BlackPink Toys by Jazwares. Let us know in the comments down below if this line is a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!